Wait among South Sudanese to see their lifeline oil back in full operation amidst the backdrop of the nation's struggling economy is finally over. South Sudan, and their partners have agreed to restart the flow of South Sudan's crude oil through Sudan starting Wednesday, 8th January 2025, following a shutdown that lasted slightly over a year, plunging the country into economic hardship. The resumption comes after resolving recurrent challenges within the oil sector and the lifting of the force majeure by Sudan on 4th January 2025, marking a crucial pathway for oil operations to restart. According to the Minister of Petroleum, Puot Kang Chuol, the Petroleum operating company has been directed to resume operations immediately, without delay, emphasizing the agreement reached with the partners.
With the force majeure having been officially lifted by the government of Sudan through its letter dated the 4th, 2025, and based on that, the Ministry of Petroleum and partners would like to declare that the kick-off date for depot resumption is as early as tomorrow. This is basically to say our D-Day that we have been waiting for is tomorrow, the 8th of January 2025. As such, MOP and partners are hereby directing DPOC in coordination with BAPCO to immediately embark on the resumption without any delay.
Kang further stated that oil production will start at 90,000 barrels of crude oil per day for the first 6 months. He noted that the government will continue to handle Petronas' financial responsibilities until a new entity is designated to take over its shares.
Our target is 90,000 barrels a day. We'll be paying the cash call on behalf of Petronas until when the government of South Sudan have named officially the entity that shall take over from Petronas. That arrangement, we have done it.
Some citizens have expressed their opinions following the news of the resumption of oil production. They responded to the question of whether restarting oil production will improve the national economy, considering that the dollar exchange rate currently stands at 510,000 South Sudanese pound per $100 and the price of fuel is 6,000 South Sudanese pound per liter.
عشان المواطن يشغل حقه يزول خرج في جامعه يشغل شغل ادينا هسه خبرنا نقعد في شارع ل 200 دارين يانا عشان يرفعنا فوق ثاني عشان نكون وين نقعد في بيوتنا ويانا يشغل شغل كويس الحمد لله جاء الفتره باسم يسوع المسيح يا حاجه.
The resumption comes at a critical time as Petronas has exited the country, leaving the government to manage its cash flow amidst an economic crisis. The restart of oil operation restores hope among the people of South Sudan for improved services and strengthen the government's ability to pay salaries to civil servants and the army, thereby improving livelihoods. Akuch, SSBC, Juba.